Hi, I'm Joel with Hobart Welding Products. Today we have a simple project for you to make. It's some yard art. We're going to be making a sunflower, and for this project we only need two pieces of material. I have a 2 foot by 3 foot piece of 16 gauge sheet stock, and then a 3/8 inch rod for the stem. The two products we're going to use are the Hobart AirForce 12 CI plasma cutter. It's rated for 1/8 inch cutting capacity. With that product we're going to be using the circle guide cutter, so that'll be fun to use today. We also have the Hobart Handler 100, a flux core only wire feed welder rated for up to 3/16 of an inch. We have all the materials we need here. Let's go ahead and get started on our project. I have the sheet metal raised up on some tubing so that when I cut, the piece will just land on the table. It also saves the surface of the table from the plasma cutter, and I can do everything at this nice height. I attached the circle cutting guide. I also put the standoff guide which comes with the machine, and I just need to change my safety glasses over and we'll be ready to cut. So we have all the cutting of the sheet metal done. The next thing I did after that was I took a hammer and just kind of pounded out the center of the sunflower here. You can see there's some dimples, and I wanted to give it a little bit of a contour so it would bulge out from the flower itself when you're looking at it. And then the little dimples and dings in there kind of make it look like the seeds of the sunflower. So our next step from there will be to take all the petals and I'll arrange them around the outside, and we'll weld them on like this, and maybe I'll bend them a little bit or something after they're on there, but we'll weld them on first and see how it looks. So we have the petals welded to the center. The one thing I did do with the petals was using my table as a brace. I kind of bent the tips of each one of these up just so that they're not flat. Gives a little more character, I guess, to bend them. So the next step is going to be to take the metal rod, and what I'd like to do is bend it over this piece of pipe here just to give it a little bit of a curve, a little curve to it instead of being straight. And then we'll weld probably 2, maybe 3 of these petals onto the rod. Those will be like the leaves on the stems, and then this project will be finished. So we have the rod bent to make our stem. Just put a couple little curves in it, straighten the ends out so when it's in the ground it'll actually sit straight, even though you got the nice bend in. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to weld the sunflower head to the top here. I'll take a couple more leaves and somewhere through here sporadically put 2 or 3, and then you will have a complete sunflower that you can put out in your garden. So here we have our sunflower project all completed. Once again, with these projects, make them your own. You can take it from here, you can paint this, you can rust it, stick it in the yard just like it is. Make multiple sunflowers, put them together, whatever you'd like to do. But for this project and more, please visit hobartwelders.com.